Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Shanette with Shanette for Life. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I made my crispy, delicious baked honey barbecue tofu. First off, I'll be opening the package of my organic tofu, the extra firm, and I'll be draining all the excess water off of the tofu. I am now going to be putting some compression on the tofu. I am using about 4 of my dinner plates, and this here method will be draining the water off of the tofu, and I do this for like 20 minutes. And now, just to make sure that I get as much water out of the tofu as possible, I am taking a paper towel, well, a couple of paper towels, and soaking out the remaining of the water. This here ensures that my tofu comes out as crispy as possible. I am now cutting my tofu into bite-sized pieces. I am adding some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue to a bowl. I'm using about 1/2 cup, and I'll be using some smoked paprika and some onion powder, and I'm using cornstarch to coat the tofu with to give the outer part of the tofu an extra crisp. I am now adding the tofu to the bowl of the barbecue sauce and seasoning, and I'm going to give it a good toss. Make sure you coat it very well, and also make sure that there's no cornstarch residue left on the tofu. I am now adding the tofu to a parchment paper lined baking sheet. I'm going to place my tofu in a preheated oven of 350 degrees, and I'm going to be baking the tofu for like 25 to 30 minutes. And this is how they look once they come out of the oven. They are crispy and golden brown. I am now putting the warm tofu in about a tablespoon of barbecue sauce, and I'm going to coat that really well. I'm going to serve my crispy honey barbecue tofu with some brown rice, and also I'm going to add a few broccoli florets. We can't forget the sesame seeds. And there you have it. This tofu turned out so sweet, savory, and tangy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you turn on the post notifications so that you'll be notified each and every time I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next upload.